Yeah, welcome back. My name is Santosh, work in NTCS 1242. Today I am going to tell about the packet tracer. Fourth experiment. Uh, Today I have connected PC, laptop, switch, router, and router, switch, PC, server, and PC2. Here I have taken three PCs and one laptop, one switch. Here one switch and two routers I have taken. From this here I am going to take the IP address for first laptop. First configuration I have taken as the IP address as 192 dot 192 dot 192 dot 10.2 I have taken, and after that 255 dot 192 dot 168 dot 10.1 I have taken. For the first PC the IP address I have taken, and the default gateway as 0, 0 I have taken. uh, I have taken for the desktop and the laptop. Again, the configuration as default gateway it will take as 192.168.10.2 physical. Okay, this is for laptop 1 I have taken as IP address as configuration 10.1.2, like that I have taken. Now I am going to take here PC, and now I am going to take as the PC. How the PC has been taken, I am going to take the PC. PC this IP address I am going to take programming desk and here I am going to take as the IP address. What's the IP address I am going to take means 192.168.30.2 the IP address I am going to take, and after that 168.30.1 the IP address I am going to take. IP address I am going to take. The IP address I am going to take. Address I am going to take from this IP address, and for this IP address I am going to take the IP address I am going to take as 192.168.30.2 255.255.255.0. I am going to take the IP address for the second laptop. Here also the IP address what I am going to take was 192.160.10.3 I am going to take, and default gateway as 192.168.10.1 I am going to take the IP default gateway. Now switch. Now I am going to take the message from PC to a laptop by using a switch. I am going to take the message to the switch. Here we can see here a PC 3 to a laptop ICM 0.0 has been successful, like that it will show. The server the IP address the IP address as 192.168.30.3. the IP address I am going to take as the telmask as gateway 192.168.30.1 I am going to take. Now these two routers, for first router I am going to take as like this, or the IP configuration like that I am going to take. IP address to the remote configuration to the IP telnet to the telmask to to 192 dot IP address. I'm going to take as FA dot no SH. I'm going to take dot SH. I'm going to take. I think the second router I'm going to take as IP address as telmask, password as 120 123, and the password I'm going to take line VTO 0,4. I'm going to take and here the router to TCP router which I'm going to take, and PCP router to the programming desktop, and the desktop I'm going to take here. Desktop I'm going to take as a terminal. Okay. Here switch to enable the conflict as conflict dot comma as we have taken, and the host as CSC. Enable the password as 123 as CSCCON is not available in this one. This one written as the password login. These are the login passwords. Exit I'm going to take. After exit I'm going to take configured from the console by the console, and lastly I'm going to exit. Lastly I'm going to exit CSC to the TP router, and it will show the user has been accessed, used successfully, and hint VLAN and IP address 192.168.30.10.255.255.255.0. I'm going to take a line VTO4, password as 122, login exit. I'm going to take from the configured from the console by the console. They run invalid input DECT from the mark as 192.192. I'm going to take text as 192.168.30.10.255.255.255. no SH I'm going to take, and hint VLAN changes the state to the up line protocol on the interference. VLAN changes to the state to up, and state to the up like that it is shown. And programming, wait, I'm going to desktop. Now I'm going to terminate. Okay. This is terminate, and the command prompt I'm going to take TCP to the router. Okay. Server. Desktop as a terminal. Okay. Server. IP address I have taken, and IP address dot 192.168.30.1. I'm going to take the IP address. I'm going to config for the server to the desktop program, to the desktop, to the web browser. I'm going to take the developer to the PCT developer. Here I have taken the PCP, take PC config execute and program the task.